guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and staying safe. By the time this video reaches you, it will be Eid, so I wanted to wish all my family and friends a happy Eid Mubarak to you all. I hope it all going well for you guys and you're enjoying and feasting on some good food. So today I just wanted to jump on here to do a quick review on these 3 liquid lipsticks I've purchased. I've done a makeup tutorial on this look today, so if you like to see this makeup look to pair these lipsticks with, go check it out on my Instagram. I'll be linking it in the description box below and also across this banner here for you to check it out. So yeah, it's a quick tutorial on my Instagram page. If you haven't already, follow me on there. So it's these 3 Maybelline Matte Ink liquid lipsticks that I've purchased. I've quite a big range of liquid lipsticks and I quite like their lipsticks. They're super affordable and also they stay on for a very long time, and they don't feel cakey and horrible. Some liquid lipsticks, if you know what I mean, they don't really stay on very long and they also begin to flake. Obviously you have to exfoliate your lips before applying liquid lipsticks, but I wanted to try these out. Lately I've been really liking blush tones and dark maroon and mauve, those kind of tones lately. So these were the 3 that were drawn to me, so I thought for this look it will complement it as well and I can try it out. So I'm going to try it out. So the colours that I've picked is Pioneer, which is this one. Successful, so number 20 Pioneer, Successful 165 and 180 Revolutionary. So I've picked these and then you can get to see, and I'll do close-ups for you to see properly. So I'm going to start off with Successfuls first. So it comes from like a sweetheart shaped applicator, which is quite nice, and it says it's a liquid, it's a matte liquid lipstick, so we're going to see that. Oh, it's super pigmented. Wow. It feels really creamy because usually when you apply liquid lipsticks on, they instantly dry up. Your lips feel completely dry, but with this, it actually feels really nice and it's super pigmented. Really impressed. I'm going to overline my lips a little bit because your girl's got small lips. So that's what the Superstay looks like now. It's a lot brighter than I thought actually. I thought it was going to be a little bit more muted, but I really like it. I mean, what do you guys think? So I'm going to try Revolutionary. So this is the Revolutionary. So this is very muted tone. So I'm going to just take off the wrapper first. Oh. So the application is really nice and easy. It feels really creamy. And this is just with the first application. I find this a little bit on the cool tone side. I probably would mix this lipstick a little bit more with another colour, but it's actually a really nice colour. I don't usually go for cool toned liquid lipsticks, but this one I really like. It's quite nice. And the last shade I'm trying is the Pioneer one. It's the number 20, so this one's like a dark deep red colour. Now so far the colours on the outside are a lot darker than the inside, so we'll see, and I think this might be a little bit on the brighter side as well, but we shall see. So yeah, I'm going to give this a try and get this on me. I quite like this colour. I'm quite excited about this colour. I feel like, ooh, I feel like it's quite a nice tone for medium olive skin tones. I think it's a really nice red to suit. Yeah. That is a gorgeous colour. I love this colour. I think it's very bright. It's got like a nice pink slightly undertone to it, and I think it suits people that have like warm olive skin toned. So yeah, I think that's a really gorgeous colour. So yeah, definitely a real thumbs up from me. It dries really fast, so when I was trying to change the application from all of them, they dried really fast, which is a good thing. That's what you want in a liquid lipstick. So my favourite one has to be a mix between the Revolutionary and Successful. I like these two colours together, so I might give this a try. I might try this colour on top and this in the middle and see how it looks, like an ombre look. It kind of gives like an ombre effect, but it also just pouts your lips a little bit as well. So yeah, I quite like this. This is a really nice colour. It's something that I probably would wear on if I just wanted like no makeup look, you know, just lashes and then just a pop of colour. I usually go for this, but it looks really nice. I quite like this look. So yeah, overall I'm really happy. I loved how they've come on and they stay on. I don't feel like my lips feel really dry. They feel nicely moisturised. This look, I've just used I've actually mixed and matched a 165 Successful with Pioneer, so I quite like these two colours mixed together as well. I feel like for this look I needed a bit more of a darker tone, so I've mixed these two colours and I feel like the colours come out really nice, and it's matched to my outfit really well. So yeah, but also you can mix these colours together. I purchased this from Superdrug and they retailed currently at £9.99 each. So yeah, I think they're super affordable. They'll last probably a long time. I'm going to try it out today and see how it lasts me as well. I feel like the application was really easy. I felt like I didn't need to go in with a lip liner, and that's the beauty of liquid lipsticks, is that it gives you that colour, and you don't have to go in with a lip liner as well as a lipstick. It's basically 2-in-1. It does that for you, and you know I overline my lips, so I didn't need to go in with a liquid a lip liner. So yeah, overall really happy with it. I think it's super affordable and I think it's worth the price. The only thing I had was the red lipstick that I applied. Pioneer lipstick was the only one that as soon as I took it off, that was a challenge to come off. Like, it was a struggle. As soon as you apply it on, so you really would need to use an oil-based makeup remover for it to come off, because it does not come off as soon as you apply it on. As soon as it dries, it does not come off. So yeah, that's the only thing I had about it, but overall it's, you know, a 9.5, 10 out of 10 from me. I think it's a real good purchase, and definitely I'll be getting some more colours as well. These were the 3 colours that I was drawn to, but they've got so many different colours. I'll link it in the description box below of where I've purchased these from, so you can buy them as well. Again, £9.99 each. This video is not sponsored in any sort of way. I purchased these from my own money. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification for any new videos that I'll be uploading. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Take care for now. Bye.